Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your September 2021 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out each month. It includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get patterned paper, cardstock, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team designs, and then they give you their cutting instructions and how to put it together and a full color photograph so you can create right along with them. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so that you can brew that up and sip on that while you create or just drool over your kits. And this month, your 4 collections are Bella Boulevard, You Are My Sunshine, Fancy Pants, Lake Life, Bungalow Lane from Paige Evans, and Simple Stories Lemon Twist. So you're going to notice several collections that have been in high demand here lately and have already sold out in several locations. Just one more perk of becoming a subscriber to the Scrap Room kits is that these new collections are going to be yours. You're not going to have to worry about missing out on them. So let's dig in and take a closer look at all of the collections you'll receive this month. The first collection, You Are My Sunshine from Bella Boulevard, has that signature Bella Boulevard look. All of the fun, bright colors, just a happy collection. So this could be used for so many different kinds of layouts or projects. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Feeling Sunny, which is rainbows and the sunshine. The back is tone-on-tone blue with clouds, and some of them have the little hearts. Then we have Shine Bright, which is a wide stripe of the different colors in this collection. It's just gorgeous. I just love all the colors. The back is a small pink floral on blue. And then we have this paper called Sunshine, which has sunshine written out in script just over and over. And the back is another rainbow stripe, only thinner, and borders with white. So one more look at your patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. You're going to get some puffy stickers. These are so cute. I love puffy stickers. And some of the pops, which are just dimensional stickers. So you can see there's 2 pop dots in there. So all of your embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. Lots of butterflies, sunshine, and happiness. So that is You Are My Sunshine from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection from Fancy Pants is Lake Life. And if you pay close attention, this collection, the colors and the patterns in it match very well with the next one from Paige Evans. So I think they'll work really well together, and you can mix and match these patterns. So to start with, you're going to get 2 sheets of Fig Swirl. Your patterned paper, we're going to start with this one. That's this gorgeous floral on a rusty red background. This one is called Water Flora. The back is a 2-toned blue gingham print. Then we have this paper called Fresh Air, which is stars in a wood grain pattern. The back are these pine cones on this light blue. Super pretty. And then this one's Picnic by the Lake, which is this gorgeous wood grain. The back is a plaid in kind of that brown and orangey and the 2 tones of blue in this collection. So I just love the shades of blue in this. It's just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 a pack of the ephemera, so those will vary, as well as 1/4 a pack of the wood veneer from Fancy Pants. So this is what I received, and as you can see, this wood veneer is really durable. It's a little bit thicker than most wood veneer, so I love that. It's not going to be getting broke in transit or in your albums. So again, all of your embellishments will vary among the kits. But that is Lake Life from Fancy Pants. Our next collection is Bungalow Lane from Paige Evans. So this has a little bit of a fall vibe to it. So you're going to see things that would be perfect to document fall, like the leaf here. The colors are a little bit different than her normal collections. They're more toned down for a fall look and feel. But you can document just about anything with this collection, even the summer and the spring. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Arctic cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, number 19, which is a small floral on blue. The back is a geometric print, and it's kind of a pink with a golden, it's like this color here. It leans to the peach, it leans to, you know, the orangey. It's very pretty. Full branding strip of that small floral print on the back. This is paper 21, and it's a text print, home sweet home, wonderful, one fine day, homemade, happy as can be. So you can see it's perfect for just about any kind of photos or projects. The back is a stitching print, so it looks like a chain stitch embroidered. That's fun. This one, page 10, is stars in the different colors that you're going to see in this collection. And the back is a blue print with like little hashtag marks. And again, the full branding strips of the pattern that's on the opposite side there, so it gives you a little bit more to play with. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the icons and the floral ephemera. And you're also going to get a 1/6 pack of the foam stickers. So this is the ones that I got, lots of little words. It is easy with you, chasing butterflies, crafter, maker, artist. So you can see there's a wide variety of themes in this collection. We have cameras and florals, and then these that are the words. Super cute. And again, I think this would go very well with lake life. So pull those pattern papers together and embellishments and have a little bit more fun. So that is Bungalow Lane from Paige Evans. Our last collection is Simple Story, Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. This one has sold out and it is in high demand. So lucky you. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. This paper called Sunshine Plus Lemonade, which is that signature style of theirs that's just a full kind of mixed media background all on its own that you don't have to do much to. Love this little doily here and the birds and the lemons and the butterflies. It's just so pretty. The back is a distressed yellow print. This is florals and butterflies. This one is just stunning with the turquoise and the yellow on that black. It's just beautiful. And the back is a plaid in those same, that yellow and turquoise and black. This one called Easy Peasy has kind of labels that you would see on packaging and stuff with butterflies, and then the text print on the back. So another mixed media kind of paper. And then this one is another one that looks distressed, which their simple vintage collections are like this. They all have that vintage feel to it and kind of a distressing. But it's that turquoise, a really light turquoise with foliage and butterflies. So one more look at your pattern paper. Again, it's just gorgeous. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of word labels down here. Squeeze the day, add more zest, sweet life, in the sunshine. We have tickets here, and then little tabs, kind of like paint swatch type tabs here. Again, those signature little cluster pieces that they do where they do all of the work for you. Love the titles that they've included in this. Add zest to your life, live life with more zest. When life gets sour, sweeten it with gratitude. And then we have photo corners and hearts and tags, just so much. Love the little bumblebees. So that is Simple Vintage Lemon Twist from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the add-ons. I'll have links to the videos here at the end where you can check out the cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons, as well as the Shots of Life because it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month as well. I hope you have fun with your kits and be sure to share because we love to see what you're creating with your kits.